So guys, this is how I got demonetized on my YouTube channel. Yes, it was a total wake-up call and a major setback. But I'm here to share my experiences on how I got demonetized, so you can stop avoiding the same mistakes. Okay? Welcome back to my beautiful channel. If you are here on this channel, it's your favorite Dexy Pictures TV. Please do it to subscribe and make sure you watch this very video to the end, so that you will avoid the same mistake as a new YouTuber. Alright? So this is how I got demonetized. When I realized I was demonetized, I logged into my YouTube studio one early morning and got this dreaded email. Yes, the email said that I have been demonetized. So I was like, my reaction was like, I was panicked. I was like shivering. I was like, oh my God, what is happening? Why did I get demonetized? What is really the problem? So I get to know the reason why I got demonetized on my YouTube account. So the first reason behind this demonetization was reused content. I had uploaded some compilation videos using apps I thought were fair use. That was a big mistake. YouTube flagged me. They flagged me as a reused content creator who doesn't provide enough original value. So my tips on this is, my advice to you guys that wanted to be monetized on YouTube channel: avoid uploading content that have heavily relies on other creators' work without adding any significant word, commentary word, or editing. So if you want to use other people's content, or if you want to reuse other people's content, make sure you have an appropriate word, editing, so that you will not make the same mistake I did in the past. Another reason that was behind my demonetization, oh my God, it was inconsistent community guideline. One of my older videos was flagged for harmful content because I really realized that a joke I made could be misinterpreted. Like, the joke I made would cause me this demonetization on my YouTube channel. The YouTube algorithm doesn't take content lightly. So if you are misleading or misinterpreting on uploading your content, the YouTube doesn't take it lightly with that channel. Okay. So that was it. That was how I go against this community guideline inconsistently. Yes. The joke I used was, I don't know that the jokes I use, that's the memes I use in that video could cause my channel, could damage my channel. My advice to you guys that is going against this community guidelines inconsistently: you are not consistent, you are inconsistently at the same time going against the YouTube community guidelines.
Want to talk to me?
So
talk to me direct. Don't go through the
always double click to check that your channel or to check that your content aligns with YouTube community guidelines whenever you are uploading your videos. Even though you are consistent or not consistent, make sure that you double check on your videos to make sure that you are not going against the YouTube community guidelines, because once you go against the YouTube community guidelines, they will be waiting for you at the time of your monetization stage. So another thing that got my channel demonetized, insufficient watch hours and what subscribers. You all know that before you get to the monetization threshold, you must earn 4,000 watch hour and what 1,000 what subscriber before you can be eligible for what YouTube what monetization. So another reason was I didn't get my enough watch hour and I didn't get my enough what subscribers. I thought that time I never had an experience. I never had the experience that you must accumulate 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 watch subscriber, guys. I never knew. Had it been I knew, had it been someone told me as of then, I wouldn't have been demonetized. I wouldn't have even at the first time, at the first onset, applied for monetization. But see, I got demonetized. So at a point, my watch hour dropped below 4,000 because I took a break and stopped posting. Consistency is the key to maintaining monetization. If you want to be monetized on YouTube channel, you need that consistency before you can reach that monetization threshold. So that time I stopped posting on my YouTube channel. I took a break. I never knew that break that I took could cause my channel to the dreaded what point. My watch hours started reducing, my subscribers started reducing, everything started reducing. Until I watched one YouTube content creator like that, Vibe with Sonia, yes, when she's talking about consistency. When I mean consistency, your consistency might not be every day, but your consistency might be once in a week, twice in a week. I don't have any ideas of them. So I took a break about 1 month, almost 2 months, yes. I never uploaded on my YouTube channel, and it caused my channel a whole lot of what damage and breakout. So guys, if you think that consistency is not the key, my darling, you are being left along the plateau. Yes, you are left along the plateau. You need to come back and start posting on your channel. You need to be consistent because consistency is the key to maintaining what? Monetization. I never knew. So guys, you need to be consistent. So I got demonetized of being insufficient with my watch hour and my subscribers. Like I told you that my watch hour started reducing, my subscribers started decreasing. At a point, I don't know what to do. I got frustrated. I don't know what to do because I was so happy that I applied for that monetization and was shedding tears when I got this email that I have been demonetized. Oh my God. Guys, okay, how can you fix this? My question is, how can you fix this? I know that so many of you will be asking me right now how you can fix this. Now, this is how you are going to fix this. Number 1 step is remove violating what? Videos. If you know those videos that are those content of yours that is going against the YouTube community guidelines or YouTube monetization guidelines, you need to remove them right now. So how did I fix this demonetization? I went through my contents and deleted any videos that doesn't meet the YouTube policies. This includes compilation of videos and other words upload with copyright strike. So this was how I was able to do to fix this by removing all my violating videos. So guys, if you are hoping or if you are getting to that monetization threshold and your content or some of your content are going against the YouTube violation policy, please, you need to remove them immediately before you apply for that monetization threshold. Now, another thing I fixed on this demonetization was I reapplied for monetization. Yes, I updated my channel. Description, made new original content, and waited for 30 days. Do you know how long 30 days took me? Do you know how long? You count 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days to 30 days. Sometimes some months clock 31 days. I waited for 30 days before reapplying for this monetization. And before YouTube will start reviewing my channel. Guys, it wasn't an easy journey. And it was so easy for me to be embarrassed and be frustrated. Another thing I did to fix this demonetization was I focused on community guidelines. I focused on community engagement. I started engaging more with my audience by replying to comments, using the community tabs, and asking for feedbacks. That was how I was able to fix this demonetization. Now, the lesson I learned in all of this, the lesson I learned and the lesson I would love you to learn from this my story is that lesson number 1, you have to understand the YouTube policies. Take your time to read the YouTube monetization and community guidelines. Yes, ignorance is not an excuse. Yes, you shouldn't be an ignorance to not taking your time in reading the YouTube community guidelines. And another lesson you must learn is that you need to be consistent. Consistency is crucial, even if it means life gets busy. Okay? Stay consistent, even if it means that no uploading today, there is no light. Even if NEPA has been on strike for a whole 5 months, try to stay consistent, because I know that you guys need lightning to make up your content. But it's not all about lightning. You need to improvise. You need to find something. You need to find a way to create your content and stay consistent. Okay, because your audience is not interested what is happening. All your audience is interested in you bringing content to the table, you being consistent. Okay, so if you want to be monetized on YouTube, you need to be consistent. Stay consistent with your uploads. Pre-scheduling your videos can help. Yes, for example, if you want to upload a video maybe tomorrow around 6 p.m. and you want to upload a video today to maintain your consistency. Okay, you can schedule your video maybe 3 hours before that time. You are trying to tell the YouTube algorithm that you are always available. You are signaling the YouTube algorithm that your channel is involved in this consistency of a thing. Okay, guys, so another lesson you ought to learn from this my story is that always add value. Whether it's entertaining, educational, or inspiring, your content should bring something valuable to the table. Yes, your content should bring something unique, something favorite, something strategic, something inspiring to the table. Because when your audience are not seeing a value in your content, they will not find your content very interesting. Okay, guys, so that's my story of getting demonetized on YouTube. If you have ever experienced something similar to what I just said now, just share in your story in the comment section. Let's learn from your stories. Okay, let's learn from each other. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. This is my boring video and this is my frustrating video, okay? So if you feel that this video will help you in one way or the other while you're about to get your channel monetized, so please don't forget to give us a like. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel and get ready for more creation tips and hit that bell icon so you won't want to miss my next upload. Stay tuned and do have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe so that you wouldn't miss us on our next upload. Bye bye.